Hello viewers, welcome to Suite 4 for beginner. Today I will describe about Suite Playground. So actually introduction of Suite Playground. When you launch Xcode, you will see something like this picture. Look look for the get started with the playground button on the lower left and click the get started with button. So what is playground? Playground are a great way to some code and see the result immediately. As you type, the playground will automatically run your code and show the update result. So now we will see the playground, how we run our code in playground. Click the get started with the playground button. We'll take the blank template for new playground, then click the next button, and here is the name my playground. This is the project name, and then click the create button. So our playground project is creating. It take the few seconds. So here is the playground left side. When we will write a code from here, and immediately we will see the output to the right side. So this is the import UI kit, and here is the string, the bar string. Here is the name hello playground. Our playground is still running. It take few seconds. Our playground is ready. So here is the bar string, and right side you will see the hello playground. Now we can print the string, print str. So immediately we can see the result. This is hello playground. We take the another my string, hello world. So now we can print the my string, print my str. So you will see the my string result. Here is the hello world. So anything we can write in the playground and immediately show the result in my playground output console. we can delete all. Bar number is 10, print number. The print number is 10. Suppose let names equal to iPhone 4, iPhone 5, iPhone 6, iPhone SE, iPhone X. This is our array. We let constant names. We will find the array for loop by suppose name names array print name comma name comma name. When we will use the string, the name at first before the variable name, enter the slash for name. So when the full loop for loop this is the for loop, and we get the one by one, and this print immediately showing the for loop result name iPhone 4, 5, 6, SE and X. So when we write the code, and immediately we can show the result. So this is the main object of playground. We can run any code, and we can show the result immediate. Thank you so much.